Duit YouTube, conas tá mé go maith. I'm not going to apologise for not making a video for the last 2 weeks or so, because it's one of these things that I do and I think you're quite used to it by now. So, there you go. Just build a bridge and get over it, I suppose. Apologies in advance for the glare that might be on the screen behind me. I'm using the main light and the curtains are open in my room to just try and get as much light as I can in. 2 weeks ago I was volunteering at the 10th European Paralympics Conference, which was great fun. It was good to meet all the international delegates, and that was my main role for the 2 days that I was volunteering. I went to the airport, I picked people up and I brought them to the hotel. It was good fun. It was interesting to speak to so many different people from so many different countries. I think everybody at the conference who is involved with Paralympics in Europe are volunteers. So that's fantastic. So they have their own day jobs, but on top of that they're volunteering to work at a European level to coordinate the Paralympic Games. That's just... I thought I was Volunteer of the Year. Apparently not. I'll work on that. So that was that. That was good fun. That was 2 days. And then of course work has been going well. I've had some really good groups in and things are going well. College is going well too. I still have work to do on my assignment. Anyone who's following my WordPress blogs, I'm going to put up a load of my kind of notes and thoughts and things like that onto my WordPress, and you can just give me your thoughts and opinions on that. I probably will make a dedicated vlog about that, so keep your eyes peeled. In other news about vlogs, I have finished my bucket list video. I got the picture from the artist that I asked to do the picture for me, so I'm just going to scan that in, put it into the video, and the annotation for that will be this part of my video. And also I'm going to do the YouTube survey, which will be linked in this part, and you can watch that there. Okay, so I'm looking forward to that. Another thing I discovered on the Irish YouTubers Network page is a guy named Luke Toomey has come up with a new tag. His YouTube is Goopery. I'll put all the link for that down below. His Tubespiration tag. It's who were we watching that inspired us to get into YouTube. So I might do that. He's already tagged people, but you know, you don't have to be tagged to do these tags. Another thing I want to do is, last Friday was October the 11th, which was International Coming Out Day. So I think I'm going to reshoot my coming out video, maybe give you a little bit more detail, and I'll probably write a blog as well, just for the sake of writing the blog. I can't put everything into a video, it'll go on forever. Yeah. So keep an eye out for that, I will keep you posted. I must get back into doing stuff on my Twitter as well. So I tweet all my videos to my Twitter, but I must just kind of start tweeting random things like everybody else does. So if you're on Twitter, go and check me out. The links for that are down below. So yeah, this is just kind of a how am I doing? I want to know how you're doing. Conas tá. How are you? Let me know in the comments below, because I really do like to know what's going on with you guys. So I've made contact with people and they've gotten in touch with me, but for the people that haven't left me a comment before, and for the new subscribers that I have, leave me a comment and just let me know what's going on in your lives. If there's anything you want me to see on your channels, if there's anything you want to see on my channels, then let me know, because that's what YouTube's for. It's for sharing, it's for talking, it's for getting to know people. What else? In other news, the Cavan Centre is having its annual awards night for groups that attend the centre, so I'm working at that tomorrow night. That should be good fun. Might get a few clips. Bring the camera anyway. It always pays to bring a camera with you. Then Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday I'm going to Galway for my graduation from YCL. So that should be great fun, because I haven't seen any of my YCL friends, bar one or two, since YCL finished. So it'd be nice to see everybody again and do the whole cap and gown, congratulations you've graduated type thing. So that should be good fun. My mum and my sister are going to come down as well on the Saturday, which is when the graduation is. So that should be nice, and I'll get them to get some video and stuff for me while I'm up on stage doing the whole thank you, turn the whole tassel thing whatever side it's actually meant to go on. Somebody tell me below, because I have no idea. I've never had to wear graduation gowns. Be fun. Anyway, so that's that. Gur míle maith agat for watching. Agus slán go fóill.